Good evening and welcome back. Before we go, we do want to make sure we mention to you the North Central Health District confirms reports of the West Nile virus in Middle Georgia.
Doctors want you to be careful when going outside this Labor Day weekend. 41 NBC's Edna Ruiz joins us live with tips on how you can avoid the virus. Edna.
Summer may be coming to an end, but a mosquito expert tells me September and October are the peak months of mosquito season. That's why you should be prepared, especially with reports of the West Nile virus in the area.
Every 5 to 7 days, a new generation is born.
And it's up to Chris Cookman to get rid of that generation of mosquitoes.
Up to 3,000 eggs at a time.
Cookman, owner of Mosquito Joe in Bolingbroke, wasn't surprised when he heard reports of the West Nile virus in Middle Georgia.
The mosquito pressure this year is super high because of the rain.
Michael Hawkinson with the North Central Health District says the virus can be passed on to humans and animals through mosquitoes.
West Nile virus is one of those odd ones where 8 out of 10 people won't show symptoms whatsoever. Of the people that do show symptoms, what they're going to see is headaches, joint pain, fever, tiredness and fatigue.
It can often be deadly, so you'll want to take precaution, especially around your home.
If you're going to store buckets or anything or debris around a shed, you want to have your buckets turned upside down so that water can't accumulate, and that way it removes a water source for the mosquitoes to lay their eggs.
Even something as small as a bottle cap with water can make it easy for mosquitoes to lay their eggs.
Another couple things you can do is wear light color clothes. They're attracted to more dark clothes. If you can avoid being out at dusk and dawn, that's usually when they'll prey more. Even though if you go into their environment and stimulate them, certainly they'll bite you in the middle of the day, but they're not as active or looking for that blood meal in the middle of the day.
And of course, repellent will decrease your chances of being a victim of the virus.
And when you do buy that repellent, make sure you're looking at the ingredients. You want something that says between 20% and 30% of DEET. Reporting live in Macon, Edna Ruiz, 41 NBC News.
The Georgia Department of Public Health confirms there were 7 cases reported of the West Nile virus and 1 death in Georgia.